Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter lock screen. Go to screen lock type, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks and 2 biometrics. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the tab. Let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is non and swipe. And now let's select PIN number. To create it, enter at least 4 digits. Use it to unlock the tab. And next, let's select password. In the end, let's select pattern. And to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, let's proceed to biometrics. Firstly, let's set up face unlock. And now scan your face via front camera of your tab. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the tab. Simply swipe up and it's done. In the end, let's set up fingerprint ID. And to create it, scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the right side of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done and use your fingerprint to unlock the tab. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.